Let's do weather for Weather Geeks this Monday evening, May the 9th. Hope you had a good Mother's Day weekend. The weather turned out to be pretty nice. Of course, yesterday we had sunshine and a little on the cool side temperature-wise, but that's been the theme so far this month. We've been below average more often than not, and for the month, through the first 9 days, we're at 2.1 degrees below average. Yesterday's high of 63 was even a little better than today. We only hit 61 today as the clouds thickened up during the midday and the afternoon hours. Now, these clouds have been trying to produce a little bit of rain. This is what the radar looked like over the last 12 hours. You would think it rained at some point with all this green, but for most of us, this was just virga. Precipitation evaporating before it reaches the ground. We had a dry layer of air up to about 7, 8, 9,000 feet that caused a lot of this to just sort of evaporate before it made it down to the surface where we are. But there is more legitimate rain off to the south and west this evening as I record this. And this is what's going to come our way later on tonight and into tomorrow morning. A steadier period of more legitimate, if you will, rain as we kick off our Tuesday. It's been another stormy evening out in Tornado Alley. Several reports of tornadoes in the state of Oklahoma. And some of these have been monsters. Unfortunately, we're probably looking at quite a bit of destruction and devastation. And everywhere where you see pink, that's a current tornado warning as of 7:41 Eastern when I recorded this video. All right, nothing like that going on around here. But again, that steady rain back towards Cincinnati right now heads our way as we go into late tonight and into tomorrow morning. And I think we just get off to a damp start tomorrow. Some light rain around through much of the morning. I think as we get into the afternoon, we're going to try to see more breaks in the action. So here's how I've broken down the chances for rain on our Tuesday. Highest in the morning, certainly not zero in the afternoon, but I think there'll be more breaks in the rain once we're past lunchtime on Tuesday. So if you need to mow, or if you have a golf outing or softball practice or something tomorrow afternoon, if you're lucky, you'll be able to get it in without rain. But some of us will still see some raindrops in the afternoon. All right, so for tomorrow, again, you're not looking at a whole lot here in the afternoon. Therefore, this model, our in-house model, shoots the temperature up into the lower 70s. That's probably overdone. I suspect we stay in the 60s tomorrow. But this model, again, is showing the idea that not much happens in the afternoon and the evening, at least compared to the morning. As we go into our Wednesday, there could be a shower at just about any point Wednesday. But a warm front's going to be lifting north, and I think we'll start to get into warmer, more unstable, more humid air as we go into Wednesday afternoon and evening. It'll actually feel kind of muggy outside, and that's when there could be a thunderstorm in a few spots. I doubt there's any thunder Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, can't discount the possibility of a thunderstorm, as, again, it's going to turn kind of humid, and temperatures will be warming up as well. Here's a look at the rainfall estimates on the modeling over the next couple of days, starting tomorrow morning, taking us through Wednesday night. You can see we've got kind of a cluster here between 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch worth of rain. That's what the modeling is showing at the moment. Talking about Thursday, I think Thursday is largely dry through the daylight hours. This next system is going to take its time getting here, and since we're going to be dry for a lot of the day, we're going to get into a deep southwesterly flow, and temperatures will skyrocket Thursday. We've got a good shot at 80, I think, Thursday afternoon, and dew points will probably get up into the lower, if not middle 60s. It's going to feel like a summer day on Thursday, but this front will finally make inroads by late Thursday into Thursday night, with showers, perhaps some heavy thunderstorms with that. We'll have to keep an eye on the potential for some stronger storms later on Thursday. And then the pattern changes. Right now, the cool air is kind of bottled up across the northern Rockies. But the pattern's going to change as we go into the upcoming weekend. My nephew's first birthday party on Saturday. They like to have it outdoors. I wouldn't bank on it at this point. It may not rain every hour of Saturday, but one thing we're very confident of, it's going to be cool this weekend as the jet stream reconfigures itself to pump up a ridge out west and a deep trough across the Great Lakes and the Northeast. So I think we've got highs in the 50s coming up both Saturday and Sunday of the upcoming weekend. I think if it is going to rain, it's most likely to be Saturday, with drier weather favored as we go into the day on Sunday. Well, I thank you for watching the Monday night weather for Weather Geeks. I'll be back on Tuesday evening with another geeky video for you, and as always, you can check out weather information 24 hours a day on your Storm Tracker 21 app, my weather blog, ericwfmj.com, and our station website, wfmj.com/weather. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 11.